Hey team, Phil here. Hey, the other day I was just testing out my new Sensei router, and for a piece of material that I've never used before, so I didn't really know the feeds and speeds I needed to do, and so I needed to run the experiment. What I observed is that I generally have the work pieces at the front corner. This is where we do the tool change settings area and all that, and they've got the e-stop here, and that seems really convenient and all that side of things. However, if you're running the machine and you're unsure, this is where all the action and fun is happening, and if you need to push this button to stop the action, you need to head into the danger, not away from the danger. So I've set out to solve that problem this morning. So what I've done is I've come up with this e-stop here, which I've put magnets inside that, so that can just clip on there. I've got enough lead that I can walk far enough away. I'm trying to do this one-handed, but I can come over to, you know, if I've got one, I put it on this trolley. Oh, I can put it on that trolley there, I can put it on that trolley there, and I've got enough lead to get clear away from the danger rather than being dragged into the danger. Here's my challenge. I've just made my mobile e-stop. You'll see that happens, so we're going to see if we can fix that. Cool, so I just put some dobs of hot glue, and now you'll see the slippiness. It's actually nice and rigid, so it's no longer smooth onto smooth.